Your patient searches are leaving Google for conversational AI. The problem? AI recommends only 1.2% of local businesses. Your practice is almost certainly invisible. Worse, with nearly 60% of searches ending without a click, your goal cannot be website traffic anymore. This new AI is here now, showing up for 97% of dental queries like cost of implants in my city. In the next few minutes, we'll give you the playbook for generative engine optimization to get found. So what is the fundamental shift you need to make? It's moving from optimizing pages to building an entity. Large language models don't recommend a blog post. They recommend a practice, an entity they trust. First, use connected schema markup. This technical step can boost citation visibility in AI results by up to 40%. Second, get hyperlocal. AI verifies you with geosignals like nearby landmarks and neighborhood context. Third, go offsite. Brand web mentions now correlate 3x stronger with AI visibility than traditional backlinks. These signals build your practice as a known entity. But how does this AI's brain decide who has authority? It is not about backlinks. So how does an LLM measure trust differently? The answer is the authority graph. Instead of counting links, AI builds this graph by understanding your credentials and peer recognition. AI verifies this authority with signals you control. Add written by Dr. Jane Smith DDSs to confirm expertise. This applies to patient reviews. AI uses sentiment as a filter. ChatGPT recommended locations average 4.3 stars. For dentist for anxious patients, a review saying Dr. Smith was so gentle is more valuable than 10 generic ones. Now that the AI trusts you, what specific content formats does it look for to cite in its answers? The single most important tactic is the micro answer, a concise 2-3 sentence summary at the top of your pages. For dental implants, it's implants are titanium posts that replace a tooth's root for a permanent crown. These micro answers should live inside larger, answer-shaped content hubs, not one-off blog posts. A highly citable format for these hubs is comparison content. Tables can improve citation rates up to 47%. Finally, language matters. AI prefers well-structured, clinical prose over text stuffed with keywords. So, to answer our earlier question, AI measures trust by building that authority graph from all these signals. But there's another layer, tone. AI prefers conversational expertise, sounding like a doctor explaining a concept. Old SEO, best dentist in city. New geo. The goal of endodontic therapy is to remove infected pulp. AI also applies a freshness filter. Stale content can face a 3.2x citation penalty. Always keep it current. You now have the playbook for trust and content. But if clicks are gone, how do you measure success? Recall the zero-click reality from the beginning? Your goal is no longer to get the click, it's to be the source. Practices are now tracking a new metric, share of model, or SOM, your percentage of AI-generated citations. Your share of model grows when your deep authority graph and your citable answer-shaped content combine. This is generative engine optimization, making your entire practice an AI-citable entity. Let's recap the playbook. First, build your practice as a trusted entity with structured data and local signals. Second, create authoritative, answer-shaped content using micro-answers, hubs, and expert language. Third, shift your mindset from chasing rankings to owning your share of model, becoming the AI source. The gap between visible and invisible practices is widening fast. The dentists who act today will own patient acquisition.